Yo, what's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, and we back up in this thing with another one, baby. And today we got something special, yo. We got them Emotionally Unavailable Nike Air Force Ones, aka the We Don't Love the Old Air Force Ones. Excuse my friend. But yeah, man, we got a dope one, a dope fire little, review. Not sure how many people have done this, review on these shoes, but it's a sunny day in Chicago, St. Patrick's Day weekend. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get out here in some of the sun, get y'all one of these real on feeds. Shout out to my boy Nate Triple OG. You know what I'm saying? He should be on the camera work. It's gonna be fire, it's gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. And holler at your boy in that comment box. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep it rocking like this. Every video, man, until we get there, I'm gonna keep reminding y'all, man. We got that 1,000 subscriber giveaway going down. You know what I'm saying? Yo, make sure you sharing this video. Make sure you subscribing, baby. Once we get to that 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 followers on IG, you know what I'm saying? It's giveaway time, baby, and I'm so excited to do that, man. So rock with your boy, hit that subscribe button, and we gonna do it just like that. You already know how we rock. But without further ado, as we proceed to give you what you need, a la Bad Boy, I know you see it. Let's get into the video. Gang.
Who you a fool for this? Who you a fool for this?
That's when you gon' bleed. You know what I mean. You know what I need. Hey. If you touch me, you gon' bleed. Big breaks, you know what I mean. Big breaks, you know what I need. He pull up and it's all love. We pull up and it's all guns. Bitch, we won, we up one. Good deuce for your son. That's on us, that's on blood. Let me see how I'ma play it. You know we in the treetops, I'm saying. Draco on me, that's a Reebok, a blast it. Speak loud, I blast it. We not gon' pass it. Your chance, you had it. Ain't no hashing out shit, ain't no kissing, no asses. Buff song while I shoot, still won't miss through the glasses. Won't miss you in traffic. Lean on my dashboard, won't spill it, I'm splashing. Gorillas gon' grab you. My niggas is savage. My bitch is the bad one. You wish that you had one. I grew up the bad son. Getting kicked out of school, acting up in them classrooms. On time, on schedule, play sports, gold medals, I made me better, Pops made his money, didn't make me nothing, Mama drunk her drink, beat me for her pain, Now I drink my drink, make hoes snort cane, Don't show 'em no love, barely show 'em my name, cause they know my name. Shit came with the ooh yeah, big shot with the two-step, get right with a loose left. Good night, got a deuce left. Woo, 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 woo. Got that chopper with.
Oh man, so really quickly, baby. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the details around these things. Your Air Force Ones, man. Air Force Ones, yo, are coming back in style. But you see that Emotionally Unavailable up here, Nike Air. That is embroidered stitching, baby. All red, you know what I'm saying? Suwoop canvas material, you know what I'm saying? Brazy, you know what I'm saying? Shout out, shout out to the squad, man. Shout out to them boys out there, man. LA, rocking that red, you know what I'm saying? Never mind, we in Chicago. But look, we got the pink Chanel swoosh, you know what I'm saying, going crazy right there, man. Yo, Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday. So we definitely needed these in the collection. These are gonna be super fire. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you got that heart, shaped like zipper cage, kind of laced in the inside of these things. Kind of reminds me of, man, whenever a shoe, just kind of come with that, we give a shout out to, the GOAT, the Elohim, Jeremy Scott, man. He was the first, and Adidas, they were definitely the first doing this type of lace caging system. You know what I'm saying? To my knowledge, man. I know, if I'm wrong, get at me in them comments. You zip that thing out. Got that nice plush tongue still up in there. Emotionally Unavailable Air Force One. That brand is still there on the tag. And we still got that canvas material on the tongue too, man. But this joint, super soft and super plush. You know what I'm saying? We got that heart back there. Y'all see it? Nice little, hidden detail. And got the red Nike Air and the footbed down there. Super dope. Fire. You know what I'm saying? We did get an extra, pair of sail laces, to kind of go with these things. You know what I'm saying? Regular standard Nike Lab black box. But except this time, if you can see that little detail, you see the little cross code branding, the Nike Air and the Emotionally Unavailable, you know what I'm saying, kind of heart, the things going around the box, which I thought that was a really, really nice touch. You know what I'm saying? Do know I wear that size 13. I did get these from RSVP Gallery Chicago. You see the code dual branding with the heart and the emotionally unavailable, tissue paper in there, man. Give it as much of a premium feel as you possibly can to justify that $160 price tag. Which, I mean, damn, these are Air Force Ones. That's still ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for, the box. Let's go ahead, get back into it, close it out. Yo, so, hey, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about these guys right here, man. I hope you enjoyed that dope on feet, man. Again, shout out to my boy Nate Triple OG, my brother, for the camera work today. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice day in Chicago, St. Patrick's weekend, man. Like I was telling y'all, man, Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday, man. I always wanted a really dope Valentine's Day shoe, especially from Nike, man. But they always show that love to the ladies, man. And now that I think about it, they came out last year with those fire all red Jordan 8s. I hated that they didn't come out with those in my size, man. I'm an Jordan 8 fan. Those are like the perfect red sneaker they could have made. But of course they didn't make it in my size. You know what I'm saying? But now your boy Q the Flu, we finally got that red Valentine's Day, Hearts Day themed sneaker in the collection. You know what I'm saying? And I couldn't be more happier. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know how y'all feel about these things, man. These fire or not, man. These dope. Y'all rocking with them? I feel like a lot of people gonna hate that they missed out on these, man. Air Force Ones are making a comeback. We got the Travis Scott Air Force Ones. Virgil doing his thing with the Air Force Ones. Hey, Nelly back on tour. It's lit, you know what I'm saying, for the Air Force Ones. We back in this thing, baby. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, man, y'all let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section. My bad. Of course, as always, it's your boy Q the Flu. Q the Influencer. Chicago Q, baby. Chirac Q. You already know how we rocking. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago.